So I'd like to ask everyone, if someone were to enter this industry now, has the barrier to entry become higher or become lower?
I think it should have become higher because many hotels now are part of groups, mid to high-end models. Right. If you are a small workshop, you can't meet the hotel's service requirements. Right. You must have standardized factory buildings, and you must have standardized equipment. For example, things like soft water in the past. Now we use reverse osmosis, right? The standards are definitely higher and higher.
General Manager Yu, what do you think?
I think it has definitely become higher. Before, the investment was very small. You could invest in a plant with just a few 100,000 yuan. Now it takes millions or even tens of millions. The investment has certainly increased.
General Manager Zheng, what do you think?
I'm the same as the two of you. I definitely feel it has become much higher because the requirements of society are different now. The entire guest experience has been raised to the highest standards. Society is also developing, and service is also developing. That requires that for hardware. And the investment in hardware. Hardware must be standardized, scaled, and regularized. It's not just an investment in hardware, but also an upgrade in philosophy. In the end, to meet the hygiene standards for public textiles. It's certainly a series of things, from the investment amount to the operational philosophy of the investment. I think it all requires a certain level to be achievable.
The future development of laundry plants, will it be like ours now, centralized and park-based?
Personally, I think centralization and park-based operation is inevitable. And it's a fundamental inevitability. Based on this centralized infrastructure, we can develop better its own automation, its scaling. In other words, in the future, the entire assembly line process of the equipment will align with current automation to achieve unmanned or minimally manned factories. That requires this kind of standardized, if it's the old, scattered, decentralized model. The infrastructure itself is not very complete. Its decentralized scale and philosophy make it hard to complement each other. In the end, there will be drawbacks, and thus, they may be eliminated by some centralized processing centers. Personally, I think that's the way it will be.
General Manager Yu.
In the future, centralization is possibly that laundry plants will merge, moving toward higher-end, more intelligent, in the direction of large-scale factories.
So, as our laundry industry develops, what do you think, in the future, the essential core competitiveness of laundry plants will be? Each of the three of you can share one kind of competitiveness.
I think standardization.
Why?
Because only with standardization can you have quality. We used soft water before. Now we use reverse osmosis. I promise to my clients that for linen washed by us, you can sleep on it without clothes. That's no problem.
That is, all processes are standardized, and the quality of everything I wash is very stable.
With quality, you can survive.
Yes, General Manager Yu?
Future factories will definitely move toward unmanned operations. That is, more intelligent, saving labor.
General Manager Zheng?
Actually, we are already controlling all processes very precisely through digitization and direct physical information, including the physical information of textiles, including what kind of water we use, how many impurities it has, how textiles can achieve consistently passing inspection each time, achieving minimal stain residue. From a data perspective, how many kilograms of linen we wash matches our washing capacity. It includes the machine's disinfection time and links the entire data chain to form a complete data chain control process, making its automation and intelligence stronger. Personally, I think possibly, first, for quality assurance, we must wash through datization so that the chance of human interference is smaller. And also, standardization, what General Manager Liu mentioned. Second, if we want to survive in society, we must not only meet quality standards. That's just a market requirement. If a business wants to survive, it must definitely achieve its own internal efficiency. The improvement of internal efficiency, I think, comes from intelligence. and linking the data chain. The increased efficiency of the entire production process can achieve that result. In summary, actually, after quantification, digitalization, and standardization, it can achieve a high efficiency, high quality, cost-effective product for the client. I think that is the ultimate outcome.